What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another sneaker review. This time, one that's a little late. Not late in terms of my fault, actually. Blame Nike for this one with the manufacturing issues and everything. But today, I got the Nike Air Force 1 Low in the purple skeleton colorway. Yeah, this was a pair of sneakers that was supposed to be part of the Halloween 2021 lineup in terms of from Nike. Not one that we actually received. Those in the Dunk Low Halloweens. Just never ended up getting them. I don't know why. Something happened. This came. This came like literally. I think on April Fools. I think this came out on, and I was like, you know what? I didn't really want to pick up another pair of sneakers, and I was like, I really did want these back then. And I was like, because I love the skeleton kind of vibe of that, and the purple one. Like even though the orange the year before was really like it's because my favorite color, but purple I just thought it could be worn more outside of Halloween. And that's why it kind of drew me to it, and other elements of the sneaker I'm going to be able to talk about. And yeah, so it did come out that day on April Fools and stuff in terms of most of the regions and stuff. So in North America, and yeah, let's get into the sneakers, guys, and let's start with the box. All right, so the box, very damaged. I bought this through Size Canada, and the shipping was great with FedEx and everything. But FedEx, man, what the hell is this, dude? Like, it's all like if somebody like went like this, like literally to it. I don't know why they would have smashed that in, but I don't really care. It is a regular Air Force One box. If this was some special box, I would have been upset right now. But if you guys have not seen a regular Nike Air Force One box. It is an entire gray construction with the Nike Air and the Air Force One across the top. And then there's literally nothing on most of the sides here. They're just on the bottom. You got like the regular Nike kind of like bullshit that they put on there, right? So as you can see, made in China. And you got established 1982 on this side right here. The Air Force one of the most timeless sneakers. And you got here, which is a little bit different. You got Air Force One 07 Skeleton QS. You got Court Purple. Got these in a size 12. And made in Vietnam, actually says on in terms of shoes. Suggested retail, Canadian 170. So, you can see right over there. It's kind of faint because they decided to do white and gray. So, yeah, it's pretty much all you got in terms of the presentation. But the shoes, they really killed it there. And let's go with the Nike Air Force One Low Purple Skeleton. All right, guys. So here are the sneakers. Man, they are very clean, honestly, and perfect for by the way, a Raptors fans. If you have any of their classic '90s gear, this goes perfect with it, of course. So, and I got a bunch of the jerseys and stuff. So there's a lot of really cool details to this, and it looks pretty. And they've got it like spot on from the past skeletons as well. And I'm gonna focus on one of the sneakers right here to make it a little bit easier. You kind of have also a glow-in-the-dark construction here throughout the entire sneaker, okay? And throughout different spots. And I'll try and show a glow-in-the-dark test that I tried, especially with the outsole, just to kind of show you how it does look when you do purchase it. But the construction here on this side of the sneaker, you kind of got that skeleton print throughout the swoosh and all over there. Just the construction is so cool. Just Halloween vibes right there. But like I was saying earlier, like I don't believe this is restricted to Halloween just because of the purple color. I've seen the white skeletons and the black ones being used all the time. So to this day. So one of my friends actually has a white pair. So yeah. And then the toe box area is just regular. Okay, like the quality is regular Air Force One leather here. I know you pay a little bit more, but it's the same garbage ass leather. It's nothing good. You even got the Air Force One kind of like metallic logo right over there as well. That is glow in the dark, by the way. You will notice once you flash that, it is. Even the laces, it just comes with the purple laces as well, which are okay. But the eyelets, there's nothing special about it, but it's got glow-in-the-dark capabilities as well. So they went all out, at least on that portion. And then you got, which was really cool actually with the tongue, you got Nike Air Force One, the regular type, but in the Nike, pretty much they decided to go like that bone writing. That I really like that font. It goes really well. Something I'd see in like Photoshop or something like that, but it does look really good. Just little touches like that. I appreciate that they did that. The other side of the sneaker as well, you kind of got that same skeleton vibe going. It looks really well done, and it's kind of like almost like it's like a foot almost. It's like, yeah, I actually did notice this the other day where it's kind of like you have your foot inside the shoe, but yeah, no, but it's the actual skeleton, which is kind of crazy. So as if our foot were just the bones. And also, you got also the insole, which is that skeleton as well, predominantly purple on the outside, but with that silhouette there as well. And then you get pretty much size 12. The production dates were a long time ago. These were made in April 28th, 2021, but all the way until I believe September 1st, 2021. So I don't know if I'll be able to catch too much of that, but that's pretty much what happened there. The heel, you got the regular Nike Air, but this time it's in this kind of, I think it's white or it's silver. I'm not really sure. I can't really guess what color it is, but it does look nice. And the outsole is the standard Air Force One. Outsole is nothing different, but it is glow in the dark, like I said. The glow in dark on these is pretty incredible. I really like it, and like I really recommend if you really want to get the most out of your glow in the dark outsoles and like sneakers, whatever. Get like a really like focused flashlight. The flashlight on your phone is not good enough. It'll get some pop out of it, but not quite. So I recommend getting like sometimes on Amazon they have these little lights and stuff where it helps legit checking sneakers as well. So yeah, just something they could think about. Yeah, I know. And this bottom, by the way, that it is glow in the dark. It is also a gum bottom type of material, so way more durable than the regular Air Force One outsoles, which are, like I said, awful. They're really bad, and they really get beat up really easily, especially when they're white and stuff. So, but yeah, these are the sneakers, and I do want to show how they look glow in the dark wise. I'll have it over top of me speaking right now, but as you can tell, like it does glow very much, man. Like I think that is so cool. I remember that guy as a kid, like you kind of want those glow in the dark sneakers, and you still kind of do now. Like it's like you have the money now that you could actually attain these things, and it's like it's so I don't know. I like feel some people say it's childish with the glow in the dark sneaker, but I don't really think so. But like I was saying, like the glow on this is really really nice. Like they really did a good job on that. They didn't cheapen out. Like go into your house, friggin' just shut off all the lights, put them on, start clicking on that flashlight, and you'll kind of see that glow come out right away. And it is incredible, honestly. And I love these sneakers, man. They're really nice, really nice. But also, if you're wondering about sizing in these are just like your regular Air Force One low. And but just the thing about it is that when it comes to me with Air Force Ones, I usually go like, because I'm a 13 a lot of times with Jordans, but I go 12 in these just because I find that kind of that toe box is very wide and stuff. So I feel like 13 is a little too much space, so that's with heel slippage. So, and that's what I do with the size 12. But most of y'all have Air Force Ones already, so just stick with your normal size. There was nothing different here. And even in terms of styling these, I think you can do a lot with these. Like I said, I was saying earlier, I don't think this should be restricted to Halloween, and that was a big reason why I was just like, you know what, let me just go get it, because I do like purple, number one, and number two, it's just like I don't want to just wear it during Halloween and stuff. So, and I think they did a good job with that. And I think, like, say with stuff with the Dunk Low Halloween, maybe you can't wear it as much. But at the end of the day, honestly, I'm gonna be real with you, it doesn't really matter for me. I just wear what I like. Wear what you like at the end of the day, and whether it's in season or not, if it makes you happy, it's all you should do. So, if y'all want to see how these look on feet, here you go. But anyways, guys, that is it for my review of the Purple Skeleton Air Force One. Let me know what you thought of these. Did you go for them? If you really wanted these, you could have got them. So they were very, very available at the boutiques and stuff. So, and I don't know if Nike really did a proper drop. Not on my end here in Canada. But anyways, guys, let me know if they are a cop or a drop. And let me know just everything you thought about the sneakers. If you think the glow-in-the-dark is nice, think it's worth it, just let me know down below in the comments. And if you enjoyed the review, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell down below as well. Just helps a lot on the channel. Helps us continue to grow. If you want to see more reviews, just stay tuned. But anyways, guys, that was my review of the Purple Skeleton Air Force One Low. I'll catch you on the next one. Take it easy.